Introduction to computers. Characteristics of computers. A computer is a very useful machine. It has many characteristics. Some of its characteristics are superior even to human beings.
Let's discuss the common characteristics of a computer.
Speed.
A computer is a very fast machine. It performs complicated calculations in a few seconds that a human being does in many years.
It processes millions of instructions per second. Accuracy.
A computer performs its tasks accurately.
It never commits a mistake while calculating. When the input data and the set of instructions are correct, the result produced is accurate.
Remember, the errors in calculations arise due to incorrect input given by the users.
Large memory. A computer has a large memory. It stores a large amount of data in its memory and retrieves them whenever required. Diligence. A computer works tirelessly for a long time. Unlike human beings, it never feels bored or gets tired. When 10 million calculations are to be performed, a computer performs the 10 millionth calculation exactly with the same accuracy and speed as it performed the first one.
Do you know? Some computers in scientific laboratories are working for many years without being shut down.
Versatility.
A computer does a variety of tasks. Suppose a computer is busy preparing the result of a particular examination. The next moment, it gets the task of solving some, and all along it may also be used for playing songs.
Briefly, a computer is capable of performing almost any task, provided the task is reduced to a set of instructions. Limitations of computer. A computer is a wonderful machine, but it also has certain limitations. No intelligence. A computer is a machine.
It does not possess intelligence of its own.
It is dependent on the user for performing a task. It cannot take its own decision. Everything must be given as a set of instructions. It does only what it is told to do.
Via command.
No feelings. A computer does not have feelings or emotions. Based on our feelings, taste, knowledge, and experience, we often make decisions in our day-to-day life, but a computer cannot make judgments and decisions by itself.
It is a machine. Generations. Do you know what the term generation means?
In terms of time, it means age group. For example, you are your parents' child. Similarly, your father is your grandparents' child. So, your parents are in first generation of your grandparents, and you are in second generation of your grandparents.
Hence, in this case of your grandfather,
father and you, there are 3 generations. Similarly, the computer also has different generations. Generations of computers. Computers are classified into 5 generations based on the technology used, the way they work, and their size.
Generation, period, technology, features, examples. First, 1940 to 1956. Vacuum tubes, very heavy and large in size, very expensive, slow in speed, generates a lot of heat, limited commercial use as they were difficult to program. ENIAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC. Second, 1956 to 1964. Transistors, smaller, cheaper, faster than first generation computers. Wider commercial use as they were easy to program than first generation computers. ENIAC 1401, IBM 700, CDC 160. Third, 1964 to 1975. Integrated circuits, ICs. Smaller, cheaper, faster than second generation computers. More accurate than second generation computers. Increased storage capacity, known as general purpose computer, as they were able to execute any type of application. IBM 360. ICL 1900, VAX 750. Fourth, 1975 to present. Microprocessor, smaller, cheaper, and faster than third generation computers. More reliable and accurate than third generation computers. Very easy to handle. Greater storage capacity. Popularly used at homes and offices. IBM 4300, ICL 2900, HP 9000. Fifth, present and beyond. Artificial intelligence. Intelligent like human beings, able to think and take decisions like us. Used in areas such as robotics and defense. Robots. Thus, each new generation resulted in the following changes: decrease in size and cost, increase in the speed, reliability, and storage capacity. Do you know? Transistors and integrated circuits, ICs, are electronic devices used in many machines such as TV, radio, computer, mobile phone, and washing machine. Microprocessor was first invented by Intel Corporation in the late 1970s. They revolutionized the computer system completely. Scientists are trying to develop artificial intelligence, AI, in computers. Active research work is going on all over the world.